Right now, the economy is biting hard, and this is not the time to play safe or stay on the fence. This is the time to be decisive, to find something that will be profitable and highly lucrative for you. Right? So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you five businesses that can give you as much as 5 million naira monthly if you do it correctly. Yeah. Now, these businesses have been tested and verified by a lot of people. Okay. And I have a certain level of experience in some of these businesses, so I'm going to be sharing from personal experience in some of these businesses which I have done. And of course, if I haven't made this amount of money, I will not be here telling you about it. So any figure you hear here, you hear on this video, be sure that yes, it is possible because I have achieved it, and there are many other people who have achieved even greater results. So you too can get these results if you do it correctly. Five businesses that can give you 5 million naira monthly, even in a harsh and tough economy. So we dive into the first one: local product exportation. The first one is local product exportation. This one, I am not an authority in this particular field. I do not know very much about it, but I know some people who do this business and they are making some good amount of money, right? They export products like oil, palm oil, yeah, like obono, like ukwa, like I mean, products that you would not even imagine that it's that people are exporting. Yeah, there is a high demand for some African home products in the Western world. So it doesn't matter your country, Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, wherever you are, there is a high demand for home products that can be found in Africa, right? So all you need to do is simply do a research. Come to Google, for instance, and you local search for local product exportation in Nigeria or in your country. So you can see here there is ginger. Ginger is one of the most traded spices in the world, which Nigeria happens to be among the largest producers. So you can do your research and discover that you can export ginger. Crazy, right? Textiles and garments, okay. Cocoa butter, gallstone, rubber, sesame seed, honey, garlic. I mean, these stuffs are real. These things are real, okay. List, okay, on ultimately is 20 profitable products to export from Nigeria. Okay, since what can I export from Nigeria? Six hot products. So yeah, as you can see, this you can even watch videos on YouTube. Top 10 products you can export from Nigeria. So there are a lot of information about these things online. The issue is that people don't research. Yes, people don't research because if you research, you will find this information, you will find these products, you will find these things helpful. So if I were you, and you are interested in exporting, in harnessing the power of local products and exporting them, simply do your research. There are some trainings. I've seen a lot of trainings on TikTok, on Instagram, where people host trainings, teach you how to register, because you don't just start exporting. You have to register. There's a process you have to go through. They will teach you in these trainings, and these trainings are affordable. They are not expensive. They are affordable. So find these trainings, register with them, the trustworthy ones. Then get the right knowledge. Put knowledge first before capital. Put knowledge first before capital, so that your capital will have a good backing. If you put your capital before knowledge, your capital will be wiped off in a very short period of time. So yes, the first one is local product exportation. Do your research and you find helpful information that would help you on this quest. Second one is real estate marketing. Real estate marketing. So I know this very well because I run a real estate firm, and it's an amazing industry. It's interesting. There are a lot of realtors or real estate consultants or real estate marketers who make more than 5 million naira monthly, right? I mean, when I used to set up adverts and run adverts for some real estate companies, I used to earn some commissions making, doing this stuff on the side. I used to earn some commissions, and I realized that this business is lucrative. So if you know how to run simple adverts, that's the good thing about real estate, is that you don't need to be a guru in advertising or in marketing. Just be visible. Be visible. Visibility before profitability. The visibility will give birth to profitability. Be visible, share information that would be helpful, register with reliable real estate companies that sell genuine land, that gives genuine documents and allocates land when they say they will allocate. If you do all of these things and market continuously, you're going to get clients from both within Nigeria and outside Nigeria. Same way it happens in every country, right? So real estate marketing is lucrative, especially if you register with a company that is reliable, that has genuine properties, gives genuine documents, and also allocates land that has been sold. Real life, there's money in it. Third one is social media marketing. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll ask that you please give my video a thumbs up. Yeah, just like the video so that more people get to see it. If you're new to this channel and you like to see more content on how to make money online and or how to start a business or grow a business, please consider subscribing to my channel and also hit that notification bell so you get to be among the first people to be notified whenever I publish videos. Moving on, social media marketing. Um, at some point in my life, I used to seriously run advert for businesses. Right till tomorrow, I still get requests, DMs, Facebook DM, Instagram DM, WhatsApp messages, mails. Businesses who found my videos on YouTube where I thought about ads, they are contacting me to help them set up their adverts. There are thousands of businesses every day who don't know how to run adverts properly. People are making a lot of money. There are many young Nigerians. Go there, you will see them on Twitter, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook. They are making money by helping other businesses to run adverts. Yes, social media marketing. This involves both advertising, both social media management, both content creation in the area of social media advertising. Yeah. So if you know how to, first and foremost, in this age and time, if you as an individual you know how to run adverts that will bring in results, you will make good money every month. You can start an agency where you hire, where you teach like 3 or 4 other people, and then they are under you. You pay them monthly. You can pay them maybe 300K, 500K monthly, each of them. You can, because you have a lot of businesses, more than you can handle, especially if you know what you are doing. There's money in this social media marketing because businesses come online every day. They don't know what they are doing. It is your responsibility to help them drive traffic to their offers, make sales, and you get paid. Number four, e-commerce. This is my field. This is my Jack and Jane. This is my bread and butter. This is my honey. There's money in e-commerce. I don't have to speak much about it. You know it. I know it. People know it. We have made a lot of money from e-commerce. People are still making money from e-commerce. A lot of newbies have made millions of money from e-commerce. In fact, I recently created a course on e-commerce, right? And people who have gotten that course, many of them have been getting amazing results. Many of them have been making millions. Some of them are even students, some are teenagers. Imagine someone who is 19 years old making 500K monthly, making 1 million monthly. It starts gradually. It starts from making 100K, 200K, 300, 600, 900, 1 million, 2 million. So it starts gradually. Don't just wake up and start making 5 million naira monthly. No, it's a process. E-commerce has made many young people in Nigeria millionaires. I know many of them. I am one of them. The same thing in Ghana. I have students in Ghana, I have students in Tanzania who have made a lot of money doing e-commerce. So it's not just a Nigerian thing. E-commerce is a global kind of business, right? Learn it, understand it, implement and practice, and you are guaranteed to make money. E-commerce, highly lucrative business. Think about it. Fifth one is content creation. You see, people underrate content creation so much. There is a lot of money to be made in content creation. Do not underrate this. See, There are people who do content for the sake of content, right? Why there are people who understand the business of content creation. So for you, if you want to make some good amount of money being a content creator, you need to understand the business of content creation. Right now, what I am doing is sharing information. I'm creating content, right? Through my YouTube channel, I am creating content that is helping me make money. YouTube is going to pay me through this video. YouTube is going to pay me, right? Companies will contact me to do adverts for them. So all of these things can become different streams of income just from one content in 1 month. People are going to contact you for consultation. So different areas where you're going to make money. Yeah, you can be a content creator either on TikTok, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, everywhere. All you need is your smartphone and data. Finish. And you have to be smart. You have to be creative. You have to do things in a way that people will be wowed. I have listed 5 things that you can do. What is left for you now is to do your research, find out your area of strength, and capitalize on it. Pick any of these businesses, go in depth into research. Which one would you like to do? Go ahead and do it. For instance, if you'd like to start e-commerce and learn from me, you can get my course. So I will leave the link to my course in the description of this video so that you get that course, study it, implement it, and you get results from e-commerce. But do your research, right? There are other e-commerce courses that you can also purchase if you want. So do your research, discover, decide what you want to do it, and I'll show you you're going to make money. Yeah. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment box below and I will respond to you. You can follow me on social media across all channels. The name remains Courage Ngele. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.